Subscribe to ABN Media Network and become part of our family and learn so many new things.
A lesson to remember. Two brothers had lived together in peace and harmony for 40 years. They owned a large farm, with their homes built facing each other. Both families cared deeply for one another, and their children were known for the love and affection they shared. But one day, a small disagreement grew into a serious conflict. Harsh words were exchanged, and tempers flared. In anger, the younger brother ordered a deep trench to be dug between their houses and diverted water from a nearby canal into it, cutting off all paths between the two homes. The next day, the elder brother called a carpenter to his house and said, "The farmhouse across the trench belongs to my brother. Yesterday, he dug this ditch and filled it with water. I want you to build an 8-foot wall here so I don't have to see his face or his house again. Finish it as soon as possible, I'll pay whatever you ask." The carpenter nodded and said, "Show me where to begin so I can get the right materials from the next town." After inspecting the site, he went with the elder brother to the nearby town, gathered his tools and helpers, and brought everything back in a large pickup truck. He then said, "Now, sir, please rest. Leave the work to us, we'll finish it tonight." The carpenter and his helpers worked through the night. In the morning, when the elder brother stepped outside to see the wall, he was stunned. There was no wall at all, not even an inch of one. Instead, a beautiful wooden bridge stood over the trench. As he walked toward it in surprise, he saw his younger brother standing on the other side, tears in his eyes. For a few moments, both brothers silently looked at the bridge that now connected their homes again. Then tears rolled down the younger brother's cheeks as he thought, "I hurt my brother who was like a father to me, yet he still chose to reconnect." The elder brother's heart softened too. He said to himself, "No matter who was wrong, I shouldn't have let anger divide us." Both brothers walked across the bridge and embraced, their eyes filled with tears. Seeing this, their families came running and joined them on the bridge, laughing and crying together. The elder brother then looked around for the carpenter. He found him packing his tools, ready to leave. He hurried over and said, "Wait. Let me pay you for your work." The carpenter smiled and replied, "I won't take payment for this bridge. My reward will come from the one who promised. Whoever reconciles people for the sake of Allah, Allah will grant him a great reward." With that, the carpenter said goodbye and walked away. Moral: be like that carpenter, build bridges between hearts. Please, don't build walls.